So today we're going to be trying out two new products. One is a Wonder Beauty palette. This is what it looks like. Some of you guys might have received it in boxycharm. Getaway eye and face palette. So I want to do this video doing some swatches, doing an eye look and testing out the eye products that's in here. I will be linking this palette in the description just in case you didn't receive it but you want to get it. With this, I will also be trying these Glamierre eye brushes, and these are a set of 4 and they retail for $29.95. I will try to link them as well. I don't know if they're limited edition. Just thought it's the perfect opportunity to try both. So it comes in this cute little package. If you want to see everything that I received in boxycharm for this month, go ahead and watch that on my channel. These are the eye brushes. I also have my brushes here just in case I need more, but these are the 4 brushes that you get in this palette, and we'll start with the swatches. So before we get started, if you're new, welcome. My name is Jen, Jen's Beauty Style, and please don't forget to give this video a thumbs up if you enjoy. Very cute. Very cute. I've only tried one thing from Wonder Beauty in the past, and it was a highlighter. I was obsessed with it. I never saw something so beautiful, and I believe that highlighter is in this palette. This is the palette. It comes with a beautiful mirror. This is what you get. So these are the 2 face products, your highlighter in After Hours, and then you have your blush. This is in Day Trip, and then these are our eyeshadows. I'm more of a peach coral blush kind of girl, but this is good. And I'm gonna swatch the highlighter. Oh my god, this is so gorgeous. This is the highlighter. There you go. Beautiful. Beautiful. I have my bronzer, which is the Park Avenue Princess from Tarte. What I'm missing is a good blush. Wow, that is pretty. I don't think I took a lot. This is good because you can like build it up. Oh my god, this color is beautiful. Go ahead and dip here into After Hours and tap. Oh my god, that is gorgeous. I'm in the Cupid's bow because why not? How adorable. Did I tell you the price of this? Oh my god, $36. Now we're moving to the eye look. I just want to get my hair out of the way. I'm just gonna clip it with one of these. Now it is time to test out some of these brushes since these are only for the eyes. This one is very pretty, again by Glamierre. What do you think about these brushes? Would you purchase them, or do you think is way too childish? But they're fun. I want to apply this shade called Villa. I'm gonna take that with the brush, tap. I'm gonna softly blend this on the crease. A soft transition shade. I like the color. This is matte, which is very much needed. This brush is perfect like to pack on some color, but to blend to, it feels super soft. Now let's move to Chateau, same brush, okay? Just applying it in the outer end. These are the 2 matte shades in the palette. I can't tell you how well these brushes are working, and the eyeshadow. There's barely any fallout. Now with this angled brush, I want to take some of that color Chateau that we just used because it's like the darkest one in the palette. Just gonna take that with the angled brush. Apply that in the lower lash line. So I really want to use this color here, Cabana. We'll go in with this flat brush, and you're just gonna pack this and then blend, but mostly packing it on. I'm applying it to the center, almost to the center, because we're gonna go in with the color Yacht like right in the middle. Now I'm gonna use this side of the brush that we haven't used. Go in with the shade Yacht. Just apply it right there in the middle. You're not gonna see too much of a color difference because they're all very similar shades. but you can still tell. Up close you can tell. And why don't we just go in with this color Road Trip with the same like blending brush. Just apply to like the outer corner. Alright, let me just do the same on this side. I quickly want to show you what I did to this eye, which is basically just use my finger. You always want to like do that if you want to get the best payoff for these foiled shadows. Went in with the color Cabana and I just went over it. I mean, you could see is a huge difference the way that just pops. It's insane. I'm doing the same with the color Yacht. Applying it there in the center. Just put some here in the bottom because it's like a nice dark shade. Gonna blend this. I think the only one that we didn't use is this one. You can use it the same way we use this one. If you'd rather use the angle brush for like liner or for like your brows, you can do that and just do the application on the bottom line with this little one. Just do my eyeliner, put some lashes, and show you the final look. And we just added just a little bit more of highlight. I feel like when I was cleaning, like the little bit of fallout lost some of it, so I just want to pop it back on. Oh my god, do you see that? And this is not even wetting the brush. This is just insane. If you're not into a super dramatic highlight, then just avoid over applying, but just know that this is how bright it can get. So pretty. Talk about the brushes first. So the brushes are beautiful. They work amazingly. Would I purchase them? Probably not, just because I don't know, it's just like not really my style. If you like them and you were thinking about purchasing them or giving it to someone, they work amazing. And you have super useful different shapes here. A blending, a packing, a smudge brush, liner brush, or a brow brush. They're amazing. Palette, highly recommend. Barely any fallout. The colors are really nice. Obviously, if these colors are not for you, then don't even bother. It doesn't matter how good they work. If they're not for you, then just forget it. But if you do like the colors here, this is amazing. These are my favorites. I just have to say, these two foil shadows. The highlighter, I'm so happy that I have that highlighter again now. Like if they were to sell this on its own, which I'm pretty sure they do, like I would for sure want it. I would use it like probably in every tutorial because I'm so obsessed with it. That highlighter is in everything. And I'm really happy with the color of the blush. It's really, really nice. It shows up good. Nothing's patchy. It's super well made. The palette is not thick, is not heavy. It feels really good. You don't take up a lot of space. It comes with a nice mirror. You can definitely see yourself good. For a face palette, I think the price point is good. $36. This is not bad. I really like it. I'm so happy that this was one of the products that BoxyCharm decided to send me, because I love it. And because it's neutral, I can get so much use out of it. Use it for so many different occasions, no matter where I want to go. If I just want to use like those two matte shades, amazing. I like that I can do like a smoky eye. And it's so pretty. Let me know if you got this. What do you think, or would you purchase this? So I hope you liked this video. I tried to use several shades for you. So happy. I'm not doing anything on the lips today, just added that bit of like highlight there, but that's it. I hope you enjoyed. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye.